I would pick up Shiv Kumari. Yes, Shiv Kumari, are you recording your voice?
यस मैम।
Yeah, so what improvement have you seen?
यस मैम, बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है। हर सेशन में कुछ नया सीखने को
नो
मिल
नो
रहा है
नो, आप
हमको।
आवाज अपनी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, आप खुद रिकॉर्ड करके अपनी आवाज का इवैल्यूएशन कर रहे हो। आर यू रिकॉर्डिंग योर ओन वॉइस, लिसनिंग टू योर ओन वॉइस, कर रहे हो आप एक्टिविटी वो वाली?
प्रैक्टिस यस मैम कर रही हूँ।
कर रहे हो, रिकॉर्ड पक्का कर रहे हो?
यस मैम।
ओके ओके, फाइन फाइन। पीपल आई रियली वांट कि जितना आप भी कर रहे हो, आई यू पीपल आर डूइंग, दैट इज नॉट एनफ। यू आर नॉट स्टिल टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश, यू नीड टू रिकॉर्ड, यू नीड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश। Okay, chलिए let me continue with your today's session very quickly without any further delay. In the end, I will again ask you people about your recordings. If you are not doing it, please do it. Because if you don't do the recording, you will not see improvement. Okay, moving on to the simple past tense. Previously, we spoke about simple present. Okay, and now we are talking about past. Past मतलब जो बीत गया, जो दिन चले गए, जो काम आप कर चुके, दैट इज पास्ट। अगेन उसमें व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ पास्ट, तो द वर्ब इज इन द पास्ट फॉर्म। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुक, कुक्ड, यू राइट ईडी। ओके, आस्क, आस्क्ड, ईडी। ओके, सो दिस इज the past tense. This makes it into a past tense. For example, I visited my friend yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. Yesterday मतलब कल। Okay, बीता हुआ कल। Okay, they watched a movie over the weekend. He finished his homework after school. We went to the park last Saturday. Visited my friend, cooked the dinner, क्योंकि हम लास्ट नाइट की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? वॉच्ड अ मूवी, ओके, finished, went, all these verbs are called V2. They are all V2 verbs. Okay, moving on to the other one, what we have, an exercise. Okay, before that, let me just see what I had previously for you. Yeah, then I had this. Yeah, this exercise again, do it when I put the video in the group, in the channel. Over there, write the answers for this particular exercise. Okay, now this is a story about the past tense to show you more how the past tense is used. Okay, this story will tell you more about the past tense usage. Okay, let me just quickly open the mic for the student and let me see whom I pick up now. I would pick up some new name. I have Munira here. Munira is here. Yes, Munira. Please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Munira, which
Uh,
city, which state you are from?
ma'am, I'm staying in Indore.
Indore. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Munira, start reading.
Okay. Last weekend, Mia and her family went camping in the woods. They packed their tent, sleeping bags, and food. When they arrived, they set up the tent near a beautiful lake. In the evening, they roasted marshmallows over the fire and told stories. Mia's dad made everyone laugh with funny jokes. Later they spotted a star in the clear sky. Mia counted them and wished on a shooting star. The next morning they hiked to a near waterfall. The water splashed around them and they felt very happy. At the end of the trip, Mia said that was the best camping adventure ever.
Very nice reading. But you bunged up few words like, near, that is nearby, nearby waterfall. And rest was
Okay.
good, but yeah, a bit of, again, I'm never happy with the commas and full stops for the students, those who speak. But they really don't pause correctly. See what you have to read over here, not only for you, but for everyone. It should
Mhm.
be read in a way like this. See, last weekend, Mia and her family went campaigning in the woods. They packed their tents, sleeping bags, and food. When they arrived, they set up the tents near a beautiful lake. In the evening, they roasted marshmallows over the fire and
Oh
told
my
stories.
God.
Mia's, so
Hmm.
you see how it should go as a story form. Okay, how you
Hmm.
speak in your own mother tongue, the story with the pauses, the full stops, emphasizing few words. The reading should be done with that. And this you will be able
Okay.
to, understand only when you record your own voice. Okay? So, people, it's very important. All of you should do it. Don't give excuses. You don't have time and all that. It just takes 5 minutes. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes. Do this exercise. Otherwise, you will not speak. I'll teach you all the grammar, but you won't be able to speak. Okay. Let's move on to the other part. And it's about the future tense. We did simple present. We did simple past. We are doing simple future. Subject, will, shall, verb 1. Some sample sentences coming up for you will be like this. Now, will you use when you're sure of doing the work? Shall you use when you're not sure? You may do the work, you may not do the work. For example, I will call you tomorrow. Call you means I'll phone you. I'll call you on the phone tomorrow, right? But if you're not sure, then you say, I shall call you. I shall. I'm not sure. I shall call you. She will start a new job next week because she's sure. She's got the job of a letter. She's very sure of doing, getting all those things. But when you're not sure, then it is shall. Clear? Shall and will logic. Okay. Now see verb. Okay, will call, will start, will visit, will finish, will go. So the V1, the verbs remain in the same form. They don't change. Only we are adding will and shall to make the simple future to simple present. Okay? The exercise over here, again, you will have to do it over there when I put up the upload recording. You can write there in the comment box that time. And here comes the story for all of you, which is related to the future tense. Pratibha is here to tell us the story, read us the story. It is Pratibha. Yeah, Pratibha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, Pratibha, कौन सी स्टेट से कौन सी सिटी से हो आप?
Yeah, I am from Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur.
Okay, read.
Lily will play a surprise birthday party for her best friend, Mia. She will invite all their friends and buy colorful balloons.
Hmm.
On Saturday, they will gather at the park. Lily will bring a big cake, and everyone will hide behind the trees. When Mia arrives, they will shout, "Surprise!" Mia will smile and feel so happy. They will play games, eat cakes, and take lots of photos. Later, they will open gifts, and Mia will love each one. The sun will set, and the friends will laugh together. Remembering this special day, it will be a party they will never forget.
They'll never forget. Yeah, very good. Very nice reading. थोड़ा सा you need, not only you, everyone will need practice. Very good. Okay. Now, quickly, I'll just tell you people. See, there is a word surprise. So, you have to give that feeling. You have to give that logic, like again, I would say a few sentences for you, read few sentences for you. Lily will plan a surprise party for her best friend, Mia. She will invite all her friends and buy colorful balloons. On Saturday, they will gather at the park. Lily will bring a big cake and everyone will hide behind the trees. When Mia arrives, they will shout, "Surprise!" Mia will smile and feel so happy. So, you understanding, people? When you're reading now, this will come only with practice. I really strongly recommend you to record your own voice. Okay. Moving on to the next part. Now, again, this recording you will get, and when you're practicing the recording, when you're reading the story, you can pause the video and read the story and also understand the sentences where the tenses are important. For example, will plan, that shows the future tense. Will invite shows the future tense. They will gather in the second line shows the future tense, future simple future. Particularly, we are talking of simple future tense. So, all this you will understand about the simple future tense. Oh, it's time for us to understand the idioms. Let's pick up today's idioms. Piece of cake, very easy task. Okay, when something is very easy for you, you say it's a piece of cake. The exam was a piece of cake. I finished it. I finished it in just half an hour. So the exam was very easy. Piece of cake means very easy. Okay. Cost and arm and a leg. That is very expensive. कोई भी चीज which is very expensive. You say cost, an arm and a leg. Let's see the sample sentence. The smartphone costs an arm and a leg, but I really want to buy it. The smartphone is very expensive, that says, but I really want to buy it. So whenever you want to say it's very expensive, आप कह सकते हो it costs an arm and a leg. And whenever you want to say it's very easy, you can say it's a piece of cake. You understanding? Am I audible to all of you? Is the explanation easy? Did you people understand everything throughout? Yes? Have you understood everything throughout? Okay. So let's play a quiz. Chalo, let's play a quiz. And the first question of the quiz you have to write in the message box. Which tense we have done today? Which is the tense that we have covered today in the session? Come on. Write in the message box. Which tense have we covered today? I'm not understanding, Preeti. I'll give you the recording. Just revise it once. Which tense? Yeah, we have done simple present tense. This answer is given to me by, uh, where is that person? Simple present tense. Saloni. Yeah, she's given me that is there. Simple present tense. Shikha has given me. Okay. Uh, then I have this person, Darsh, the spelling, there is a spelling error in your word. Yeah, this is the best way. Fiza is given the best way. See, simple present, simple past, and simple future. Very good, Fiza. This is the way I want you to answer. Very good. Rest all of you have given in all this simple form. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, of course, Poonam is given the same way. Simple present, simple past, simple future. That's really great. Ma'am, anybody doing session as the first class has left some... Don't worry about certificates. Just worry about what you are learning and worry about whether you will use it or not. Okay? So, coming up to our next quiz, next question. Let me ask you. Okay? So you must be aware of by now what I'll be asking you. The next question of mine is, which are the two idioms that we have learned today? Which are again, Aradhya, chatting is on. Aradhya, I don't want you to be present in the next class. I'm asking you now the idioms. Idioms. Yeah, I can see every as usual, all of you are giving one answer in one message. I want both the idioms in one message. One at a time, एक message. I don't know why you send one message. When you, this is the best way. See, Darsh. Piece of cake, cost an arm and a leg. Very good, Darsh. Always write the answer in one message box. Anjum, spelling mistake because you were writing quick, no? Maybe you gave a typo error. This is Tulsi giving me a very good again together answer. That is cost an arm and a leg. Okay. Pizza, very good. Piece of cake, cost an arm and a leg. Okay. Neha has given me both the answers. Poonam has given me both the answers. Vanessa with the two answers. I have Priyanka, piece of no. Priyanka, you have mingled it. No, you have confused yourself. Cost puja is also okay. Okay. I can see some of you are still picking up, not yet picked up. I see Azinkya is a very different name. Giving correct answers. Chaliye. I'll just bring the idioms again on the screen for all of you to make a note. That is why I say people make notes. Okay. So the first idiom that we did is piece of cake. Say the spelling properly. PIEC, piece of cake, and break an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's cost an arm and a leg. Okay? Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. So it's a piece of cake and cost an arm and a leg. So these are certain things. Okay, people. Before I say bye, I want you now. I'm giving you a few minutes to share your reviews, especially on reading. I am more keen to know, I'm more keen to listen to the students who would like to share about their recording experience. Okay? If you are recording, और अगर आपको कुछ ग्रोथ मिला है आउटकम मिला है यू कैन रेज योर हैंड एंड आई वांट यू टू स्पीक ऑन दैट नथिंग एल्स ओके जस्ट से whether you are recording and what improvement have you got. Okay, and I unmute. It says RG, that is Rajneesh. I don't know. Yeah, yes, it's Ranjesh. Ranjesh, please speak quick. Okay, let me pick up another person. Khushi. Yes, Khushi. Is Khushi there? I don't see Khushi also. Okay. Vaibhavi. Yes, Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi, please quickly unmute. Hurry up. Is there some issue in unmuting or what? Ishika.
Ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Good evening. Speak. Yes, Vaibhavi. Are you recording your voice? What is your experience?
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग तो नहीं हो रहा है
तो फिर आपने हैंड रेस क्यों करा? My question is for all of you, those who are recording your voice and growing in the recording. अगर आप रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, don't raise your hand. You record it, you have time. Do it and then raise your hand. Kushi, yes, Kushi.
Ma'am, this class is so wonderful, so
Thank you,
fruitful
Kushi.
for housewives, students, retired persons.
Hmm.
I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy to join this class, ma'am.
Thank you, Kushi. But I want to know whether you're recording your voice. आप खुद की आवाज रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, सुन रहे हो उसको, इवेल्युएट कर रहे हो.
मैम किस तरह करना है तो वो समझ में नहीं
फोन
आ रहा
का
मैम इसमें
रिकॉर्डिंग
तो
बटन ऑन करना है. You have the phones. Okay. Everyone, those who don't know, listen. You have to go
लेकिन
to your
रिकॉर्डिंग
phone.
का मैम अलाउ बोल रहा है रिक्वेस्ट होस्ट टू स्टार्ट
यहाँ
क्लाउड
पे नहीं
रिकॉर्डिंग
करना
ऐसे
है. ओके ओके ओके. See, I'm explaining to all of you. I understand you're not following, not getting. यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है. You have to record your own voice in your own phones. ओके, यूज योर ओन फोन्स टू रिकॉर्ड योर ओन वॉइस. और वो वॉइस आपके फोन में रिकॉर्ड जो आपने करी है वो आपको खुद को सुननी है. एंड यू हैव टू सी कि आपने कैसे रिकॉर्ड करी है, ठीक से प्रोनाउंस करा है नहीं करा है, फुल स्टॉप कॉमा पे फोकस करना है. ओके. सो रिकॉर्डिंग जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रही, जिनका ये फर्स्ट क्लास है, सो इट इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एंड दोज हु आर माय पास्ट स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो, those who are with me since long also. Okay, all of you will have to do it. आप IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, फिर कॉलेज के काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे साथ यहाँ पे जो देना चाहते हैं एग्जाम्स वगैरह, इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन एग्जाम्स देना चाह रहे. all for all those students, not only for small school going or working professionals. This command, this is a very good thing for all of you, those who want to actually speak proper English. Okay, correct English and proper English. When you record your voice, you will know what you are saying, how you are saying, whether it is correct or not. You will understand it. Okay, so please do it. And put all of you put your hands down. And those who are doing this activity and growing in the activity, raise your hand. Those who are doing the activity and growing in the activity, raise your hand. इशिका क्विकली बताइए, चलिए।
Yes, ma'am. So I record my voice like for 2 to 3 minutes. I read
हम्म
the story time.
हम्म
I'm not able to do that regularly, but I try to do that every day. The
हम्म
whole thing is, when I'm recording, it's fine. But when I'm actually trying to speak with someone, I get stuck. I forgot the words.
No, but it'll happen. It'll happen gradually. Okay, it'll happen gradually. You keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. And then increase the time. Maybe initially, you do it for 2 minutes, then do it for 5 minutes, then do it for 10 minutes. Okay. And see, you yourself are telling that you're not doing it regularly. So do it regularly. Until and unless you do it regularly, you won't see the difference. Okay. So do it regularly. Okay, now let me pick up another person quickly who would like to share. And yes, Vanessa. Yes, Vanessa. I think Vanessa, and then I'll have Kushi with me. After that, we may pause. Yes, Vanessa.
Ma'am, I record my voice every day.
Hmm.
In first day, my
Hmm.
voice is
Hmm.
little
Hmm.
little bad, but now my voice is
You are learning
more
more. Yeah. So bad and good, Vanessa means she was less confident. Now she is more confident. Very good try, Vanessa. I can see the difference. Very good. Very nice. Keep on trying. I have Kushi. Kushi, quickly, come on. Kushi, I'll just count two. If you don't come up, I would, yeah. Yes, Kushi. Which state, which city? Kushi, quickly. You're not audible. Okay. Okay, people. I quickly stopped the recording and I just stopped the screen share. Coming back on the screen. Bye bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep recording, and read the book that I've given. Okay. Good night, everyone.